Hiya, I'm Rach and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created a fake hand. It's a prop hand, it's made of PT Flex, which is like a polyurethane rubber, and I'm just going to show you how I got to the stage that I could then paint it. So I'm just going to talk you through how to Lifecast and then just fill in the mould. I haven't filmed me painting because that was a roller coaster in itself. But yeah, if you've been looking at how to make a prop hand, this is a video for you. And let's get into it.
Using Moudlife FX9 alginate, I measured the alginate out. I had already pre-measured the water too. I then Vaseline the hand. I was going to Lifecast to ensure an easy release once the alginate had set and that no hair should get trapped. Then I added the water to the alginate powder and mixed it together before filling the tube with the mixed alginate and applied my hand into it. You want to ensure the entire hand is covered and is in a comfy position while the alginate sets. Once the alginate had set, I then released the suction around my wrist and wriggled my fingers gently out the mould. I then filled the mould with PT Flex, which is a polyurethane rubber, but this can also be filled with silicone and other materials like melted clay to then sculpt on. Once the hand had set, I then removed the suction around the hand and pieces of alginate to be able to remove it easier, and then that's it done.